Leela with Untapped, and today I'll be going over the intermediate combo from November 5th. It's to Sam Sparrow's Black and Gold, and it'll start at about 1 minute. But first, let's start with the breakdown. So we start the combo by doing heel shuffle toe, or hop shuffle toe, hop shuffle toe, hop shuffle toe, step, heel step, snap. Repeat on the left, hop shuffle toe, snap. Then we're going to go heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step. 3 really slow cramp rolls. 1, snap. From there, you're going to go flap, heel, brush step, heel step, heel step. Repeat again. Four hop shuffle steps. And then 6 5-point cramp rolls, 2 slow and 4 quick. 4 flap heels. Then space step, heel. Then we're going to go heel, brush step, snap, snap. And with a rhythm turn.